I made another amazing new AI app, and it is also in my favorite platform. I'm a huge fan of Google Sheets. Anything I can find a way to do in Google Sheets, I will do it. I have been using Google Sheets to create my AI apps because it's free. You can get the Gemini API, but that costs. There's a bunch of different extensions that you can integrate into Google Sheets, but they all have a trial period. So I'm already paying for OpenAI's expensive model, and I'm also paying for Claude. And Claude gave me the JavaScript app script. This is my code. I've created a DALL-E function that I can use for generation of text as well as images. I also created a manual trigger such that it's not running every time I open up my Google Sheets. Here is the text generation. For some reason, it generates random stories if I don't put in anything. But if I wanted to write an article, say about, better LinkedIn posts, and I want it to be casual, I'm going to keep these all the same, persuasive, medium length, and it's for LinkedIn, and I want it in a short story form. Once I do this, oh wow, it's already generated. So here's the title, The Secret Sauce to Better LinkedIn Posts, and it says, once upon a time in the bustling world of LinkedIn, there was a determined professional named Alex, blah, blah, blah. And so it gave me the short story. If I want to, say, make it a how-to guide instead, then I can choose that tab, and it will generate that. There we have it. We have how to create better LinkedIn posts, a casual guide to boosting your engagement. It says, hey there, savvy professionals. LinkedIn is like a go-to platform, blah, blah, blah. It gives you step 1, know your audience. Step 2, start with the hook. Step 3, share your story or insight. You have a choice of several platforms as well as different styles and different tone. You can even have different, whether articles or lists. And so that's all built in that you can use the models to generate. And for the image generation, I have this formula, the image function from Google, and then I'm using DALL-E to generate the URL for the image, and that is applied to the image function to render these images. So if I have a project or a marketing venture or storytelling and I need images, I can come in here and I can generate my images, and I determine which ones I want to save. I can even customize the images, so I can have a custom prompt that combines all of these features from, say, prompt here, from specifics, what type of prompt, what type of story I'm telling, what platform it's for, what's the scenario, the description of the background, and all of these things. So it helps you to write a more focused, more specific prompt. This is my OpenAI API key that is being referenced in the app sheet function, and that's what is being used to connect to the OpenAI API model. And it loaded DALL-E automatically